Hello everybody, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure, and today's used vehicle of the week is our Autosleeper Kemerton XL. So this is a 2023 camper van. It's built on a Peugeot chassis, 3.5 tonne, 411 kilogram payload, and we have lots of extras and additional features that I'll talk you through in a minute. We are built on a Peugeot chassis. There's only 3,100 miles on the clock of this vehicle. But anyways, coming around to the side here, you can see we're finished in our intense grey colour. We've got our lovely blue and grey decals up the sides, 16-inch Peugeot alloys. We have an electric welcome step at the door, and above me here is a full-length awning. We have our UV reflected tinted habitation windows. And then as we make our way around to the back, there is an exterior barbecue point. The back of the camper van, of course, we have a reversing camera. On round to the other side, we have an option for a TV fitting, and we also have a gas low system with this camper van. We're into the driver's side of the van. We have lots of specs. Starting off to the right, we have our VB rear air suspension. We have our multifunctional steering wheel here, cruise control with our speed limiter, 6-speed manual gearbox, and we have our Xenic fully touchscreen infotainment system here, where you'll have your voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, and your reversing camera. Below that is your climate zone with your cab aircon as well, and a little USB port. So we're into the front lounge area of the Autosleeper. As you can see, we're finished off in a lovely two-tone grey cloth, green upholstery. This is either a large single bed, or you can turn this into a double bed layout. To the back, we have a TV bracket with an additional USB port. This van's really well thought out for storage, so you have storage at the front and additional storage underneath the front seat. Plenty of storage in the cupboards throughout as well. We have a full kitchen area, so there is a Thetford 3-way fridge freezer. Behind me we have your sink, 3-ring gas burner with your combined oven and grill, and a Dometic microwave as well. So just an emphasis on the storage again. You have a full wardrobe there, which I love, and a little rail to hang your clothes on as well, and our removable carpets are currently in there. But as you can see, there's plenty of storage, and below that is an additional 3 drawers. So as some of you know, it is a rarity in a camper van to have a separate toilet and shower. So your washroom at the back has your separate shower and your toilet to the right. So you've got plenty of room in your washroom. In the Autosleeper, you have your fixed table at the front, of course, but you also have a little freestanding table at the back if needed. So thank you for watching. That was a quick summary of our Autosleeper Kemerton XL. If you have any further inquiries, do get in touch with us. You can contact us on 028 9269 3999, or you can drop me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you, bye.